Namaste and welcome to Learn Hindi with Reenu. Here we are discussing 10 minutes conversational Hindi through English series. And in this series, this is lesson 9. We have done 8 lessons earlier. So if you didn't watch, just go and watch the full series to learn Hindi perfectly. Now in this lesson, we will talk about others. I'll tell you how to talk about others using he, using she, it, this, that, etc. Example, you can see here. She is Neha. वह नेहा है. So how to make this? Just go and watch. Let's start. So third person pronoun we are going to discuss. Okay. In third person pronoun, these things comes as this, these, that, those, it, he, she, etc. So this means यह, and this is singular, used for near things, used for near things. These means ये, this is plural, used for near things. Okay, plural, used for near things. Then that, वह, that means वह, singular used for far things. This is singular used for far things. Those means वे, this is plural used for far things again. Okay, so singular used for near, plural used for near. Then that is वह, singular used for far, and those वे, plural used for far. Now it means यह, it means also यह, and used for singular for near things. Okay, it also means यह, used for singular for near things. Now come to the he and she. In English, she is referred for the feminine and he is referred for the masculine. But here in Hindi, both means same. Either यह or वह. Either she, either he, either she or he, both means either यह or वह. Now how? And this यह or वह is used for both the genders. There is no differentiation in Hindi like English. So one more important thing is that by default and for far things, when the things we are using by default or we are using he and she for far things, then we will take the meaning as वह. For what? For far things or by default. He, she means वह. And when specifically you want to show the nearness, then we will use यह. Okay, so by default and for far we use वह, and for near things we will use यह. Either it is she or he. Let's see some examples. Before that, there is one note, you can note it down. यह sometimes said as ये, and वह we use as वो. यह as ये, वह as वो, conversationally or informally. Here we talk in India, so conversationally we often say ये, either it is यह, and वो for वह. Okay, so ये वो. Now you know what is this ये, what is this वो. Okay, these are the conversationally or informally we use for यह or वह. Now है is singular and हैं is plural. हैं, this is having a nasal sound, not complete N sound but nasal sound. हैं. Okay, a few examples now. This is a table. SOV, subject, object, verb. As I told you earlier. So this is subject here. This means I told you यह. Or conversationally यह can be said as ये. Okay. So this is a table. यह मेज है. I put एक also here You can see why this is ek, because in Hindi there is no meaning for the articles a and the, but sometimes to show the like one thing or many things we can differentiate using it ek. Okay, ek. So sometimes for a we can use ek, but this is not the true meaning for a. So we can say this is a table, यह मेज है और ये मेज है, ये मेज है. We are using ye here, but it doesn't mean this is plural. Okay, it doesn't mean this is plural. This is conversationally we are saying. So we will not say है here as plural. We will say only है. ये मेज है और यह मेज है. And you can include एक also. In books you will find this. So यह एक मेज है, यह मेज है और conversationally ये मेज है. This is singular, table, singular, मेज. That is रवि. वह रवि है और conversationally वो रवि है, वो रवि है, single. These are tables. Now this is plural, plural. These are tables. So these means, I told you in the starting, these means ye. And tables, मेज singular and मेज़ें plural. ये मेज़ें हैं. As the tables are plural, so we will say हैं, not है but हैं. ये मेज़ें हैं. Those are books. Books plural, किताब singular किताब, plural किताबें, किताबें. So this is gender actually, singular, plural and feminine, masculine. If you didn't watch these videos on the channel, just go and watch the videos to understand the gender better, singular, plural and gender. So those are books. Those I told you the meaning as वे books किताबें हैं, वे किताबें हैं, वे किताबें हैं. This boy is Ram. This is यह, boy is लड़का, is Ram, राम है. यह लड़का राम है और conversationally we can say ये लड़का राम है, ये लड़का राम है. He is रवि. वह रवि है, वह रवि है. She is नेहा. वह नेहा है. It is a book. यह किताब है, यह किताब है और ये किताब है. This girl is गीता. ये लड़की गीता है